Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a winning email design in Canva in under 2 minutes. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Email Newsletter and select it. This gives you the perfect layout size for most email platforms. Next, pick a template that matches your goal. If you're promoting something, choose a bold design. If it's a welcome or update email, go with something clean and simple. Now, customize it. Click on the headline and replace it with a strong, clear message. Keep it short and benefit focused. Then, update the body text. Use short paragraphs so it's easy to read on mobile. Swap out the images by uploading your own or choosing from Canva's library. Make sure they're high quality and relevant to your message. Then adjust the colors to match your brand so everything feels consistent. Don't forget a clear call to action button. Something like shop now, download or learn more. Keep it bold and easy to see. One main button works better than too many. When you're done, click share, then download. If you're uploading into an email platform, choose PNG or JPG. If you're sending it as a file attachment, choose PDF standard. And that's it. Clean layout, strong headline, clear button. That's how you create a winning email design in Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tips.